Hello.
Hey. Oh, we were wondering, could you tell us what these initials here mean?
Absolutely. Thanks for coming to see us at WENDELL August Forge. This is the Nutcracker. It's our annual plate. Our master die engraver, YOUNGO, hand carves this design into a steel plate, and in it he embeds his initials, a little LY. You'll see it right here and here.
Oh.
Two little trademarks. We also have the Make Your Mark program, where our craftsmen stamp the back of each piece. It's a symbol of pride. Each piece they make has their own personal touch mark on it. This is the original coal forge that the craftsmen worked on in the early 1900s. With the grant from Visit Mercer County, PA, we were able to reinstall it here, and the craftsmen continue to work on that today. That's where they make their mark. That's where the pieces are hand forged, hand touched, just like we've done for 95 years.
My name's Leonard YOUNGO. I've been here for 37 years, being the master die cutter at WENDELL August.
What skills are necessary to be effective?
I tell this to a lot of people, the main skill that you need with this job is patience. When I first started, I had skills. I liked working with my hands, so the technique came very, very easy to me. But learning how to have patience, that ensures that the product that you make is of good quality.
All right, so this is Old Forge pewter. We mass produce pewter pieces. So we use a rubber mold to mass produce our pewter. So it starts out a flat piece of rubber on this piece, on this side, and we'll put whatever piece we want to reproduce in the middle. So then we'll put both pieces of the flat rubber together and vulcanize it. So we get it up to 300 degrees and around 1,000 PSI of pressure. So whenever it hardens, we pull it apart and the impression from the piece is left on the center.